back with my 2008 Triumph Tiger 1050. I have these foot pegs that I'm going to be installing and replacing the old ones. The advantage with these new ones is that they have this thick rubber padding. They're a little bit wider, so I'm hoping to get a little bit more support and more comfort from my feet rather than this rigid metal foot peg that comes stock with the bike. Now, this particular model of foot pegs requires a separate purchase for foot peg mounts. I know it's kind of weird, so if you guys are doing this for the first time like I was, I believe they sell them as kits with the mount and the foot pegs together, but some of them do sell the actual foot peg mount separately. And that foot peg mount is what actually connects to the bike. This basically replicates this part of the connection of the foot pegs that allows it to, well, should be going up and down. So this part's gonna go in there, and then from there, when you open up the actual foot pegs, so as you can see, there's a screw inside of the foot peg. That's the part that's gonna go and screw into here, and it's pretty cool because I guess you can pretty much manipulate, or should be able to manipulate, what angle you want the foot peg at. So we'll first start by removing this. This is being held with a pin similar to a door hinge. So on the side of this pin, it's like a C-clamp that's holding it together. So we just have to kind of slide that out. That's what it looks like. Not sure if you can get a good sense of that. And then you just push it on one side and the pin comes right out just like that, just like a door hinge. So now it should be as easy as just putting the spring. Now keep in mind, this flat part here that's pointing out has to go into this hole right there. And then the other part hangs over like that. So this is looking pretty good so far. It's definitely working better than the original one. Now it's time to put this C-clamp and literally just slide that right back in, like so. And there you go. This is actually moving better than the stock one that I have. Time to screw this in. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing this, so you guys are seeing this as we go. From what I can see, it looks like once I find the right position, I could use a hex screw to tighten it. That's what we'll do. And if you look carefully, I don't know if you can zoom in on this, but there's a little tiny triangle there. So you could be very precise as far as where you want to position that foot peg according to the lines that are on the foot peg mount. That's pretty cool. And let's try to find the right hex size. All right, we'll see. I'm gonna have to write it to know exactly what position it should be in. Feels good. That is it. This is, I'm gonna do the same thing, repeat the same exact process on the other side. It's pretty straightforward. I really like it. I like how flat this feels. I'm sure the padding is definitely gonna make for a more comfortable ride. Looking forward to riding in the next season. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like our stuff, and see you guys soon.